Oh, yeah. Put some tarps in here. We got lots.
My boots are
shortages for tarps around here.
My new boots are hit.
All mossy and stuff. It's pretty wet.
Awesome, yeah. I'm rainproofed out, so it's good. We are preparing for the first light of the Freedom One. We built this 6 days ago, yeah. And we have experience with a rocket stove, which was on our island. We're gonna go with that same principle. We brought some homemade fire briskets, I guess they're called.
Yeah, I guess so, yeah.
Yeah.
Briquettes type thing.
Briskets.
Popular like the UK. People burn them a lot.
Right.
A lot of the videos I watched on it were
Lots of room. I mean, it's incredibly big. Blue Rodeo, keeping it in Nova Scotia.
Yep.
You have ignition in it, right? Use the tripod a bit. Tripods and me, by the way. Like that, eh? The air intake in the front. And the rivets are going to make all the difference.
I can get plugged in there. Come on, baby.
Search and rescue looking for us. We're doing good. Rolling camo here. There's minimal exhaust. That's great.
Well,
in the tenement.
See all the steam coming off,
Yeah,
smoke leaking out.
Yeah.
That's what I want to see.
It's doing good, yeah.
Hopefully this fire will get roaring here. I imagine I'll get it going eventually.
Lots of safety on each side and a rolling blanket. 6 inches on each side on top of that. And another 10 feet to add on that. I think it's pretty safe.
Steam, smoke pouring out. And get it roaring, so we'll really try to draw for air. See if there's any smoke going up the chimney.
Yeah, I will. All right. There it is, buddy. It looks great. With the spark arrestor there, look at that, eh?
Yeah. You know what that was from? An old car exhaust repair kit.
Yeah.
That was the one part of the kit I didn't use, so sitting there in my toolbox. Yep.
That's pretty safe, I imagine. It's still... Yeah, that's good. like 20 inches on each side once we stretch it out. That's good. Another 10 feet too on that. We'll be back. We got Keith